we're back, and it's all about the star ingredients. It's getting closer to Christmas, so my Great Foods ham is very, very important to me. So outside of baking the ham and slicing the ham on Christmas morning, because I love ham so much, I found different ways to use the beautiful piece of pig. And one of the ways that I love using it is in a dip, giving flavor to a cheesy dip. So like a little snack, this is a cheesy ham dip that you can have with chips or anything you so desire. Can't wait to share it with Swappi is still in the house.
Yes, my brother.
Joining Swappi is Caroline, our first guest taster for the night. Welcome, my dear.
Hello, Caroline.
Thank you very much for being here. So you're doing ham tonight?
Yes, I am.
You're doing some ham tonight. You're not a big ham eater, are you?
No, I'm not a ham eater.
So look what I did for you tonight. I chopped up the ham very, very fine. You wouldn't even know this is ham.
Thank you.
So Joe,
Tell me.
I kind of interviewing you here now.
You go ahead. I can take questions.
So you just create your own recipe? You create it?
So what I've done is I've been reading cookbooks for the last 20 years.
So you just bring your creativities from cookbook and just bring it to life?
And So I like an ingredient.
Yeah.
I use the ingredient as the base and I just build on it from there. I say, okay, what do I like? I want ham, I want cheese, I want some creaminess, and I try to work
What's that on the shirt there?
Yeah.
I'm not a... You're telling lies, man.
Real talk. I'm starting with onions before Swappi take over the show and interview me. I'm starting with some onions, right?
Right.
I'm building a cheesy, creamy dip that you can serve with some chips or some toasted bread, anything you so desire. Some onions happening here. To the onions, in here, for those of you who've been following the show, I have garlic. Garlic is in here, that's right. Cloves of garlic that I don't have time to chop.
That's nice, yeah.
And so all I do, Swappi
Yeah.
and Caroline, is bam. Outside of a knife, this is your best friend in the kitchen.
And it's like, just like that.
Garlic press.
Yeah.
Once the onions and the garlic start coming together and you start smelling what we are smelling here, I don't know if the audience is smelling the onion and the garlic, that's the best flavors in the world. I could just add some salt,
You smelling that?
Yes.
some pepper, and then my star ingredient, Great Foods ham. Now this ham is a boneless picnic ham.
Yeah.
So I actually just cut off a chunk, dice as fine as I possibly could, and it goes in there.
Yes, sir.
Once it goes in there, kind of just get it all mixed in. You already know the ham is already cooked. So all I really want to do is to get the onions and the ham mixed
Saute it up nice.
and get it all kind of together in one kind of thing, you know?
Is that a dance you doing it too?
Huh?
You doing a dance too?
Yeah, that's what we do.
Oh, yes,
Some people
true.
encourage me in trouble, don't encourage me. So you smell the ham flavor already kind of just becomes one with the onions and the garlic. Once that gets going, I'm going to start building the cream.
Nice.
The cheesy creamy dip,
Yes.
right? I'm starting with basically a block of cream cheese.
Cream cheese, yeah.
Must be softened. The reason because we're going to get all the ingredients crushed. So it must be at room temperature and softened.
Okay, yeah.
Must take it out of the fridge. This guy is good here. I could take him off and allow him to just kind of cool down.
That smells great.
Smells good. Why you don't eat more ham? All right, let's don't go there. Caroline is eating a little ham tonight just because of cup of joe. Just because of cup of joe. Cream cheese. So this, do you have a lot of cheese? You don't have a lot of cheese either. So I looked at Caroline Swappi and I said, Caroline looks like a healthy girl, you know, that kind of healthy girl.
Well, tonight. Yeah,
Caroline be eating 3 cheeses.
Yeah.
Cream cheese. Some
Regular cheese.
cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese, yes.
Some Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan.
And some mozzarella cheese for that extra creaminess. Caroline, close your eyes tonight. No, this is a creamy dip. And as I said, this is not something that you have every night. This is movie night. You're enjoying a nice movie. You know, that kind of thing.
This man having fun doing this, eh? He's having fun, you know.
This is not what you're having every night.
Exactly, sure.
But once a month, once every 2 weeks.
Right.
2 weeks.
That's
Once a
both.
week.
Once a week.
Once a week. So I just want to get all the cheeses combined here, guys. It's 3 cheeses. It's cream cheese, mozzarella, cheddar, and some Parmesan. Parmesan for that little extra sharpness. Now what I can do here, but I won't, I could reseason, but I'll wait till the very end to reseason. Because this guy here has some salt content and
Already,
seasoned up
yes.
already. And the ham, as I said, has been very,
Yes.
very salty.
Yes.
So this will flavor up this baby here nicely. So I'm really just adding the ham mixture straight in here. And then get it mixed together.
So you can have this, like you're watching a movie.
You're watching a movie,
You feel
Friday night kind of vibes.
Right.
You know, reaching from Fiesta Plaza.
Right, drinking some beers.
You're
and
drinking some beers,
Yeah,
you're having a
something.
glass of wine, you know that kind of vibe.
So this could go with like cricks and cricks.
You can walk it with grits.
Yeah, because
This
you can't put that with nothing else. Because cricks dry. So you could absorb.
no, and that's a
grease.
fact. You actually need
Yeah.
something
So-
bland.
Yeah.
You know, a slice of bread,
Yeah.
some chips, and I have a very bland chip that I'm going to have here. No
Oh, you
flavor
see?
really. Yeah.
You see again? So
And you need
dry.
some because it's very flavorful, very cheesy, and you know, so that's what you need here. So I'm just gonna bring this together. What I just want to do before I do anything else is just to make sure. Do a little quick taste test. Just for good measure. A little salt, a little pepper. Caroline watching my heart. Caroline watching my little hard Swappi. I'm feeling a little nervous.
Eagle eye.
Well, she might be watching it a little harder after she
Watching
tastes
my little
it.
heart. She's gonna watch my harder now.
Yeah.
Because just for that little extra touch, I have some mayonnaise.
Right.
I have some mayonnaise.
Right.
Just for that little extra creamy touch that I want to add to the end.
Yeah.
So you can do 2 tablespoons. I'm doing 1 tablespoon because Caroline watching me very, very hard. So I'm doing 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. It is already creamy. And lovely salty ham all in there. Now the great thing about this ham, Caroline, you can do this with spinach.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you can leave out the meat.
Yeah.
You can create a nice cheesy spinach dip.
Yeah, that was nice.
That
Yeah,
sounds
so
good.
you can do this with you based on the base of the cheesiness, mix anything in there. In a greased dish, you just want to pile this baby in here. Let me just get my spoon. This is so simple. You gotta try it over the holidays. You just flatten that baby out. Make sure your dish is all nice and greased. And bake this in the oven till it gets nice and warm and bubbly for no more than, I would say, 30 to 35 minutes until it gets nice and golden brown.
Wow.
You pop it in the oven. Good news for you guys that I have a hot one here. I have a hot one here.
What are talking about?
Yeah, but I just want you guys to dig in and try. What you can do, guys, I'm gonna give you a nice spoon,
Thank you.
and I want you guys to basically just all you're doing is, hey, Swappi, I don't want to talk to you no more. You go ahead.
I'm feeling bad, you know.
Come on, man, spoon out your
Nah,
thing.
you know why I'm feeling bad?
Why are you feeling bad?
I would like the audience to taste it too, but
You want them to taste it?
Yeah,
That's
I
why
wish-
we pick Caroline. Caroline representing the audience. Caroline representing the audience. Caroline representing the audience. Guys, dig in
Go ahead,
and
Caroline.
try. This is a very, very simple one, guys. Representing my star ingredient, the Great Foods ham. So many different ways you can use ham other than on Christmas morning, slice up and in a sandwich. Find ways to use the leftovers. Even when you now bake it and you can't wait until Christmas morning, find something to do with that Great Foods ham. Yeah?
Yeah. Good.
Put your hands together for Swappi and Caroline, guys. We are coming back because we have much more fun, food, flavor, and friends to come We'll be right back. We're live at Fiesta Plaza in Movie Town in Uptown Port of Spain.